Hi everyone, this is Marta and Alejandro, teachers at Vallbona Secondary School. Welcome to our Erasmus trip to Sarajevo, Bosnia Herzegovina.
We rented a car and, as you can see, we got a tiny pink car which reminded us of the Barbie car.
We started our training in International University of Sarajevo. As you can see, it is not a very big university, but they offer a wide range of degrees, English courses, master's degrees and PhD programs.
When we got there, we got our name tags and welcome packs and we went on a tour of the university.
In the afternoon, they took us on a tour of the city of Sarajevo and we saw some very beautiful mosques and churches.
This is us playing chess and trying not to kill each other.
They also took us shopping and we saw lots of colorful carpets, tea sets, rugs and many more things. As you can see in the pictures, there is a big influence from Turkey in Bosnia when it comes to fashion and also food.
One of the most shocking things we saw were the bullet holes in the buildings that remained there after the war finished in 1995.
At night, we climbed up a hill and saw these amazing views from the top.
On our second day, we took part in a pedagogical methodology workshop where we learned about the different methodologies they use in English language teaching, and we did a class observation.
On our third and last day of training, we visited a vet center in business and economics in the center of Sarajevo. Students prepared a presentation about consumer protection especially for us, and we found it very interesting. We were especially impressed with their English fluency and communication skills.
In Bosnia, they also use the REAS system of assessment results, but they usually have 81 REAS performative unit. Just kidding!
One of the best things in Bosnia was the delicious homemade food we ate. This is cevapi, traditional sausages with bread and onion.
This is beef with rice, some typical pasta and fig leaves stuffed with meat.
These are some traditional sweets called baklava, which come from Turkey.
Honey is also very popular in Bosnia, and they use it in tea and baklava sweets.
This is a lady cooking burek, a pastry with stuffing inside.
Once the trainings were done, we decided to explore some small villages around Sarajevo. This is Jace. We climbed to the top of a fortress and took some amazing pictures.
This waterfall is one of the biggest ones in Bosnia.
Next, we went to see some tiny water mills, which are not in use anymore.
We also saw Travnik, a castle with amazing views from the top.
Next day, we went to visit some more villages located in the south of Sarajevo.
This is Konjic, where there is a beautiful bridge and natural cave.
The second one was Kaplija, with gorgeous views from a fortress. And this is Mostar with another historical bridge.
We had an amazing time and we definitely recommend this Erasmus in Sarajevo.